In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert dynamic dates into your Microsoft Word files using the Quick Parts feature. This is a handy trick to keep your documents up to date effortlessly without the need to manually change the date each time. So let's dive right into it. Start by opening the Microsoft Word file you wish to work on. If you already have a document where you want to insert a dynamic date, or if you're creating a new document, either way works just fine. Ready with your document open? Great, let's move on to the next step. Now head over to the Insert tab, which you'll likely find on the top toolbar of your Word interface. Once you're there, look for the Quick Parts option. Quick Parts is an excellent tool in Word that allows you to insert reusable content or automate certain aspects of your documents. Click on Quick Parts and then select Field from the drop-down menu that appears. The Field dialog box is where the magic happens. It's essentially an area in Word where you can select predefined commands to insert different pieces of information into your document. Within the Field dialog box, you'll want to focus on the Date category. Scroll through, or you might just see it right away, and click on Date. When you select Date, you'll be presented with various date formats to choose from. This is where you can customize how you want the date to appear in your document. Whether you prefer a simple numeric format like MMDDYYY, or maybe something a tad more formal like March 15th, 2023, it's entirely up to your preference and the style of your document. Once you've chosen your desired date format, simply click OK to insert it into your document. And there you have it, a dynamic date field added seamlessly into your Word file. This date will automatically update each time you open the document to the current date, ensuring your document stays current without you lifting a finger after the initial setup. This feature is particularly useful for documents you plan to use as templates, or for those frequently updated like reports, letters, or memos, where showing the current date is important. And just like that, we're done. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to insert a dynamic date in Word. Remember, taking advantage of tools like Quick Parts can save you time and keep your work efficient. Thanks for tuning in to this tutorial. If you found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Word tips and tricks. Have a great day.